the most accurate weather forecast in South Texas with Chief Meteorologist Dale Nelson.
Hi everybody, well, welcome back, and what a way to end the Friday. It's a gorgeous sunset underway, some high clouds silhouetting that beautiful blue sky, and that sky is the reason that we had, I should say the sunshine is the reason we had some unusually warm temperatures today. In fact, we had a lot of sunshine this week that we didn't see last week, and so far the highs today are coming in like this. Of course, it's much cooler near the water at Port Aransas at 69 degrees, 77 in Ingleside, but 87 officially here in Corpus Christi. And as I mentioned earlier, the warmest temperature so far this entire winter, meteorological winter going back to December 1st. It was 92 today in Hebbronville, 90 in Falfurrias, and almost 90 at Alice and George West, and also Beeville, where Kingsville had 90 degrees too. A little more sunshine, a little bit further away from that 64-degree seawater temperature. Right now the temperatures around the region have cooled off, at least here at 75 and Kingsville 77. That's because we have a sea breeze coming in. But overall the temperatures inland are far warmer than they were this time yesterday, but close to what they were this time yesterday because of the mitigating effects of the cool Gulf of Mexico waters. That's the same reason why our dew point temperatures are high, because the wind is coming off the water now, where earlier in the day where we shot up into the highest levels of the day, we had more southerly winds, and so the water wasn't an influence on keeping our temperatures down. Bottom line is dew point temperatures are up over yesterday's levels, and that's going to lead to more fog tonight. The winds are breezy out of the south-southeast here, and again, they will be contributing to fog, where visibilities are already down to 0 in Port Aransas, 1 mile in Rockport, 4 at the Naval Air Station. So this sea fog will form. It happens when warm air out of here over the central Gulf is moving over these cooler shelf waters, and it condenses where the warm air meets the cold air just above the surface of the water, and then the gentle breeze pushes that inland, or the prevailing breeze. So the fog is going to be with us here overnight. Short-term forecast calls for temperatures in the 70s now to still be at that level at 7 tonight. Then we'll drop on down into the mid-60s by midnight, and the winds will be out of the south to southeast through the midnight hour. Now, as far as the forecast lows, they look like this across the region, with 63 here, 62 in Port Aransas. We'll see some upper 50s inland, but very mild by about 10 degrees or so above normal. Now we continue with this flow off the Gulf, producing warm conditions. This front up to the north I don't think makes it in here. It's going to wait for this one to come through on Sunday, and that's Pacific air, so that system in particular is not going to cool us off too much, because we're actually going to see the sun come back out on Sunday. So I don't think this weekend is going to be too bad. There may be a brief sprinkle with this front when it comes through on Sunday morning, but that's it. And with the clearing skies Sunday afternoon, it'll be nice. Take advantage of it, because beyond that things really tail off. So here's the future tracker on the temperatures. It's going to be cold in the Panhandle, and up in North Texas, well, we'll be in the 60s in the morning. Tomorrow afternoon it'll be 70s and 80s in South Texas, and 60s here, with 50s and 40s up in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Here's a look at the NEC Co-op Energy 7-day forecast then. 63 tonight with fog, 80 tomorrow, 79 on Sunday in spite of the front, dry. President's Day it clouds up in 60, and then light rain with a reinforcing front Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday next week. Not a lick of sunshine. All right. Lows around upper 40s to near 50, and highs only in the 50s to near 60. So that's not good.
No, winter's not over quite yet.
Tomorrow and Sunday is good.
Glad to hear that one. Thank you very much, Dale.